Hello again. I also found that there was a lot of questions on problem 69, so I thought I would work that one real quick. We start with a function f of x equals x squared, and they want two vectors that are tangent and perpendicular at the point 3, 9. So if I need a tangent line, or tangent vector, I'm going to need to find the slope of this curve, which will be 2x. And then I'm going to need to know the slope at the point 3. So that will be 6. Now remember, slope is rise over run. So my vector that's going to be parallel to this point 3, 9 will be 1 for the x-coordinate, 6 for the y-coordinate. Now that is a vector, but it is not a unit vector. To get a unit vector, we need it to have a length of 1. And as you know, if you divide something by itself, you get 1. So what I'm going to do to create a unit vector is to divide this by the length of the vector, and that will create a unit vector. Now if I come over to my graph and I try and plot that over 1 up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's right here. Whoops. It's about right there. And if I draw a line to my vector, to that point, I will get this right here. That would be the vector 1, 6. However, that again is not my unit vector. It would end, right down here somewhere, with it being 1 unit long. I just drew it long so it was easier for you to see. If I want a perpendicular vector now, I have got to do the negative reciprocal of my slope, which means I'm going to, for the perpendicular vector, I am going to interchange the x and y, and then I'm going to make one of them negative. Then to make it a unit vector, I will divide by the length. So if I come over here now and draw this perpendicular vector, again, I'm going to draw the full length of it just so that you can see it better. But I would have to go over 6, down 1, which would put me right about here. So if I draw that vector, there it is. And as you can see, those two vectors, the green and the red, are perpendicular. They look perpendicular. But the point is, I could take both of those vectors and move them up to this point right here. And they would be tangent to that point. The red one would be tangent, and the green one would be perpendicular. Remember, vectors can be anywhere in the plane. They are just describing a shift. Hope this helps.